Hi, in this video, we are going to show you how to add a link or a page to your desktop or mobile navigation in ShowIt. Now, in order to do that, let's cover desktop first. You can go ahead and click on Edit the Desktop menu. Click on one of the menu items. You will see that the horizontal locking is set towards the right. This means that when the screen gets big, all of these items will stick towards the right side of the screen. In order to add a navigation menu item, what you can do is click on home or any other menu item. I'm just going to click on home. Hold Alt on your keyboard and drag it outward. This will create a duplicate of the menu item. Now let's say you want to name the new item opt-in. Now let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. We will increase the width of the text box to fit this in one line, and we will shift all of these slightly towards the right to make room for the new navigation item. Now what we can do is go ahead and actually make this exactly the size of this text, match the size of this text as much as possible for the text box, and drag it over here. Now what we can do is drag a mouse, make a box over all of these items, and then from the previous video, click on Align to Group for middle. All of this will come in one line. We will align to canvas and center it vertically. And we will also distribute this horizontally so all of these are evenly spaced out. So that is basically how you do it on a desktop. Now for mobile, you can switch over to mobile view. We'll go back to the canvas because this is not the canvas we want to edit. For a mobile or your mobile menu, we have a different canvas. We will click on mobile nav, and for this we will do the same thing. For the opt-in, we will click on home and we will drag it by holding Alt on your keyboard. We will rename this to opt-in. We can resize the text box. This step is not necessary on mobile because they are stacked vertically. We'll select all of these and shift it upward. Let's say we want to place the opt-in between blog and referral program. So we will shift referral program downwards and slide the opt-in somewhere in here. Now, in order to make sure that they are spaced out evenly, we will select all of these by making a box using the mouse, clicking and dragging. And we will distribute this now vertically. You see a little bit of shift over there on the results. So this means that they are being shifted so that there is even space between all of these items vertically. Now, the next important step is to actually link this. We'll click on the newly created menu item, click on Click Actions on your right-hand side tab, and there is a type in the link. So this can be a page, a canvas, top of the page, a social link, URL, or share on social, email, SMS, phone, or WordPress post. So we'll go over and link it to a page. Let's see, we want to link it to some blog page or wherever your opt-in is. You can also select URL and enter your Flowdesk URL or your MailChimp URL wherever you are hosting your opt-in, and then you can select open in new window so that it opens on new tab so that the user doesn't leave your website to visit the opt-in. We will go back and we will do the same for desktop. Click on opt-in and change it to URL or wherever your opt-in or your page is hosted. If it is some page like gallery, we will just shift this a little bit and repeat the step of distributing vertically. And let's say you have created a gallery page. You can click on page and select gallery from the list. Now for the phone number and emails, click on this, double click and edit the text box to enter your actual phone number. We will select this and copy this for the next step. On the click actions, we will select phone and paste the phone number that you just copied over here. Now, what this will do is when the user clicks on your phone number, they will be prompted to dial your number. If they have their phone connected to their computer, it will send a message to the phone that will prompt them to call the number. Similarly, for mobile, we will edit this. Click on this and paste the phone number. Now for mobile, when someone presses the call button, it will directly open their keypad with your number already inserted into it, which they can directly call. So that is it for adding a navigation menu item In the video description, you will also find a very helpful article covering this topic, so do check that out. Thanks for watching.